Hello everyone. So this is Naveen Tamisheti and welcome to Coding Wall. Today's topic is show and hide password with Angular and JavaScript. Like I will show you how to do it in Angular at the same way in the JavaScript also by using a single functionality with single line of code. Okay, so we don't use much functionality here. Just we will control the type of in a particular input field. So if we taken this as an input field, we will just control this type by using a functionality. Okay, so I will show the functionality first. Later we will go with the coding part. So right now what I'm doing is I'm entering some sort of text and I'm clicking the eye icon here, which is right now it is showing as an show kind of thing. If I click here, the password is visible now. I just changed the type, and if I click on /I, again it will hide the icon. Hide the text. So I will first I will show with the Angular. Later we will jump to the JavaScript, and both will be having a single function with a single line of code. So let's jump into the video. So I have taken the input field from the, so coming to the video, coding part. So I have taken this input field from Bootstrap 5 input fields. I just copied one of the field which have a side button. So I took this one, and yeah, I have pasted this in my, yeah, I have pasted that here. Now what I need is, we need to first go with the icons. We will go with the UI first, later we will try the remaining things. Okay, so I have already searched for slash icon. You can get it from the W3 schools itself. And one more thing you need to do is, you need to just import this, copy this link, and you need to paste it in index.html file. So that is what I have did here. Okay, so in the header, and later I will do one thing. I will copy this eye icon, go here, and I'll just remove the button text, and here I have pasted this, and yeah, one more thing I need, I slash. So you can get that one also from the W3 schools itself. So yeah, I'm copying this, I have pasted this, and right now we have icons, right? We have icons, we got icons now, but we need to hide it. How we can hide one of them, and one of them to show, like, so we need to just take a variable, I think show pwd, what I have taken, type any, and right now I will add a function, password toggle, and inside the function we just need to write, so I have taken the variable, right? This dot show pwd is equal to not this dot show pwd. So what it does is, whenever we click on this function, if it is not, then it will, it just fluctuates, jumps from true to false, false to true. That's it. That is the function actually does. So what I need to do is, again we need to take a type, we need to remove this type. We have type password, right? So for that, what we need to do is, we need to bind by giving type, and here I need to just remove this, and we need to write the show password thing. Okay, we have show password. If show password is there, then text, sorry, type text, or it should be password. We are just changing this thing to, either if it is true, then it's text, and if it is not true, then it is password. So if we save this, and go to the site. Yeah, but we need to change the icons, right? So for that we just need to give ng if um show pwd. Okay, and we need to write the same thing on the other condition also. If not, if not true, then this. If true, then that. Okay, and right now, so we have done this, right? So we need to write a click functionality here. It doesn't work, right? So we need to write a click functionality that invokes, that calls this function. So for that we need to write a click function here. ng sorry click is equal to, so same thing, I will copy and paste it here. Okay, save this. Okay, I have entered some data. I clicked it, it is showing the password. If I click again, the password has gone. So how we did it? So first thing, you need to take some input field to enter the password, and the second thing is we are not taking normal directive attribute, just we are taking a angular attribute type. And what we are doing is we are assigning this variable. If show password is true, then it will be text, otherwise it will be a password, like type password, type text, how we normally write. So in this way, like here we have written type is equal to text, right? If we want password, we will write the type as password. So in that way we are just changing this. Okay, you everyone knows that Angular is a two-way data binding. We don't need anything to refresh, refresh the whole page to display the data, or some changes are occurred from the backend to front end, model to view, so it is not needed, right? So in that way, if the value is changed, then it will goes to the text, and if the value is false, then it will go to the password. In the same way it will works here also. What I'm doing here is, if I'm clicking, if the password show password is true, then only I'm showing, if it is true, then we are showing the I slash, and if it is false, we are showing the I, because it should be opposite way, right? If the password I want to see, then only I need to show the show thing. If I want to hide this thing, I will show the hide thing, right? So that's the reason we have kept um, uh, parallel, opposite way. Okay, then what I'm doing is, on click I'm just calling the same functionality again. It is changing the true value to false value to the true value. So this is how we will do it in Angular. And let us jump into the JavaScript now. I will show you in how to do it in the JavaScript, right? So here I have started creating two files. One is index.html and one is javascript.js. Sorry, script.js. So here what I will do is, I will just yeah, better I will use a extra file here. Call the file. Okay. Script.js. So here we need some HTML, right? So for that, what I will do is, I will just copy it from the previous one. I will just remove the whole thing. Okay. I will just remove this. Start. Don't need this. click. Okay, on click, and here we don't need this also. We'll just give type as some equal to password, and again we will give id. Before that I will just copy the css also. Okay, now just copy this. So let us first check with the fields whether it, UI first, if it is working or not. Okay, okay, it's showing like this. For this I will do one thing. We need to include index files also. Okay, we got the actual thing. So right now what we need to do is we need to write a function logic here. So in the script I will write the function here. So where x is equal to document. Okay, before that I need to add an id for this, for the input field. So here id is equal to pwd input. Okay, I'll copy this here, document dot get element by id. So okay, and now here what I will do is if I have x dot type, so type is equal to, double equal to password, then I need to x dot type is equal to text. Okay, now else, in else condition I will write x dot type is equal to password. Okay, so this is how it works. Now let's check. I need to show height. Okay, we can, for this I can directly remove this, and I can write checkbox check put directly, and I can give, I will remove the whole button thing. I don't need any id here. I just need to write a on click here and write the my functionality. Okay, so I have written this. Let us check, and again I will write some code. Show password. Show password. Okay, so let us save this and go to the file. Yeah, it was reloaded now. So if I enter something, it is currently not showing the password. If I click here, it is showing the password. If I remove this check, it's again hiding the password. Okay, this is how we do. So here so this is how we can do, by showing and hiding the password field. So if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe, and keep supporting my channel. uh, yeah, thank you.